Hi there, my lovelies. Jam is really easy to make. Today I'm going to be making a strawberry jam, but you can use this recipe with any fruit. So first I'm going to take a pound of strawberries and blend them in a food processor, or you can use a blender. Then I'm going to add them to a saucepan with 2 cups of sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give everything a mix and bring it up to a simmer. Now you see how it's rising in the pan pretty quickly? You want to make sure to watch out for that because it'll spill over if you're not careful. If it starts to come up too high, then reduce the heat a little. You're going to cook this until it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Candy thermometers are really cheap to buy, but if you're in a rush and you don't have one, then cook the mixture for about 7 to 10 minutes, giving it a mix periodically, and when you feel the liquids start to thicken up, then you know it's ready. I personally love seeds in my jam, but if you don't, once it's done cooking, this would be a good time to run it through a sieve to get out any seeds. Let it cool at room temperature, then you can add some plastic wrap or put it in a Tupperware and place it in the refrigerator. This jam will last about a week in the refrigerator, or you can look up videos on how to preserve your jam if you'd like it to last longer. I'll see you back here next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my lovelies.